Hi guys, in today's Instagram tip I'm going to be showing you how to measure your hair properly in preparation for a wig. Now I want to do this so that our wigs are not too big or too small when we get them, made by ourselves or we have a professional do them. So all we're just going to need is just two things, like a stocking cap just to ensure that all of your hair is out of the way, and a tape rule definitely. The first thing we're going to do is just to take our tape rule and then we're going to place it at the back of our head, and I'm just going to turn around so you can see what I mean, at the nape of the head. And then you're just going to ensure that it's behind your ears like this. And then you bring it forward and then you check the measurements. Now we don't want this to be too big or too small. So this way, can you see the figure, the number? Mine is about 22 inches. So once that's done, you want to write that down. Then you also want to measure here. So from here to here. So from the back of your head to the front of your head. Start with the tape rule at the back. So usually, let's say your wig stops here. So you just want it to stop here. Mine is 13 inches. The other thing you also want to measure is ear to ear. So mine is 14 inches, right? The last measurement we want to take is from the back of my ear to the other side, so the two ears, and that's because of the elastic you're going to be using. So from here to here, just to ensure that it's snug. So I'm just going to show you. Can you see? Mine is 10 inches. So using this technique and these measurements, you're sure to get wigs that are not too tight or not too loose. So that's about it. Till next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.